Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree review for you. Today we are reviewing the LaColors Make Me Melt eyeshadow palettes. So these are $1 each at the Dollar Tree is where you can find them. These are 15 shade palettes. And I have Honey Lavender and I have Strawberry Peach. There is one other one. Like I said, there are 3 of these palettes to choose from, and the other one is in a chocolate kind of palette. It's nude. I did not pick that up for that reason. There is a mix of matte and shimmers in these little palettes. The packaging on these are super duper cute. Very compact and perfect for travel. So you have a perfect mix of mattes and shimmers. This is kind of cheap packaging, very cute at the same time, and it's perfect for travel. It's very compact. One of the main things that is difficult about this product, the pans are small. The pans are very small. So getting a brush in there can be difficult sometimes. Also, to note for a $1 formula, and I think this is with most eyeshadows, this is not just singled out to LaColors, powdery formula, but buildable. This is a very buildable formula. I prefer that actually. Instead of just putting like a dark shade in your outer corner, I prefer to build up and blend out. I think these palettes have beautiful color stories. Very beautiful. The shades in these palettes are nicely coordinated also, in my opinion. And what I mean by that is that in each palette you can definitely determine there's a lid shade, there's a transition shade, there's a crease shade, there's an outer corner shade, there's a brow bone highlight, lower lash line. All the shades are there for you to create many looks. Are decently pigmented. They blend easily. These are definitely spring and summer palettes. I say Honey Lavender is leaning towards the spring palette, and Strawberry Peach is definitely leaning towards the summertime palette. You even get a beautiful yellow in the Strawberry Peach palette. And in regards to traveling and being small and compact, they're only $1, so it wouldn't be a big deal if you traveled with them and then lost it or broke it, you know. A Honey Lavender palette consists of mauves, purple, and nude shades, and it's more of an everyday palette. However, the Strawberry Peach palette consists of reds, pinks, and peaches, and there's a bonus yellow shade. And it's more bright and colorful palette for, like I said, leaning towards summertime. Overall though, I think these are very beautiful. I think these have been really great palettes. I'll insert the looks. These are just cardboard booklet packaging with some plastic where the eyeshadows are being held, and you also have a double-ended eyeshadow applicator. They just fold up, and my strap did break on Honey Lavender, but I've used it the most. The Strawberry Peach palette is more pigmented than Honey Lavender, and while these palettes are pigmented, they are not greatly pigmented. I'll insert the looks that I did with each palette. I hope you enjoyed the review. Now, if you have any other comments or questions regarding these eyeshadow palettes, please let me know in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And always check the description box for additional links as well as the product list and things like that. Thank you so much for watching.